So quite a bundle of phones from Realme. Yes, we showed you the Realme 70 NARZO 5G, and the next one that we have today for you is the Realme NARZO 70X 5G. We're going to be unboxing this and give you the first impression. So let's get started. This is the Realme 70X, the NARZO 70X that's been launched. We showed you the Realme NARZO 70 and this is the 70X. Let's just quickly unbox this. Let's quickly tell you what's there inside the box. Here we break the seal. That's my style. I have good nails to break the seals. Okay. Let's get to see what's there inside first. Okay, we'll keep the phone here. Not tell you about it. Okay. We have the charging cable. We have the adapter. And now what reads 45 watts of super walk charging that you're actually getting into Realme 70 5G also. So this is what you're getting. And what do we have? Okay. We have a SIM ejector, you can see. Also, we have quick guide. We have a safety guide, a back cover. Okay. And there comes the magic. So this is the Realme 70X 5G, ladies and gentlemen. And like you could see, there is no glossy or a matte combination here, but we do have the arc here, and it's separated by just one line. Rest, the whole back panel is the same. Again, it's launched in two colors, the smooth and the matte back panel is not here, but yes, it's indeed a combination still with just a dash of line that you see here, which is a smooth one, and the rest panel is actually very, very matte. Well, misty forest green and snow mountain blue. This is the snow mountain blue that's been launched. We also showed you in the Realme NARZO 70. We'll show you both the phones together by end of this video. But firstly, let's quickly tell you about this. The panel you could see, well, this is the camera module that you get here. And the panel that you see is again a flat display panel. Let's just switch on the phone and meanwhile give you other details. Here you see this is 3.5mm headphone jack, a speaker here, a charging port. You have again a speaker and of course the SIM tray that you get here. So the display is quite flat, and moving on to other things while it gets switched on. So you can see the screen is 6.72 inches and this has a LCD texture. This is the full HD plus display with about resolution of 1080:2400p of resolution. The refresh rate is again 120 Hz. That's become common now in the smartphones. You hardly get 90 Hz in this price segment. And like we told you, it has 45 watts of super walk charging and 5000 mAh of battery. So the company claims that the phone charges about 50%, 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. Well, moving on, it has the Realme UI 5.0 skin, and this works on Android 14. And with that, to tell you on the updates, you also get 3 years of security updates, and you get about 2 years of operating system update, which means you'll get Android 15 and 16 updates on this one. Well, this is about the update. Moving on to other details, this has MediaTek Dimensity 6100 plus processor, and comes in two variants, 4GB plus 128GB and 6GB and 128GB. So two variants that you get in the Realme NARZO 70X 5G smartphone. Camera module, a little smaller than what you have been getting in Realme 70 5G. And this is 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. And the front camera is 8 megapixel. What you get in 70 5G is the 16 megapixel front camera. This is 8 megapixel. It is IP54 rated and has the air gesture that Realme smartphones are known for, quite many of them. And yes, this does have the dual stereo speakers. So also to tell you that this phone is quite slim, and this is actually the thinnest in this segment, and this is 7.69mm ultra small, and it does have an horizon design like we told you, with just weight of 188 grams. Why it's horizon design? You see that horizon arc that you get This is the same arc that we're talking about, and that's why they're calling it the horizon design. This is the horizon here. Well, this is the 70X 5G from Realme that we told you about. We told you more or less all the details. And how do you like the smartphone? Do tell me. And like we told you, we're going to be comparing both the phones together by end of this video. This is the Realme NARZO 70X 5G. Take a look at it while I get the other phone and we'll give you a look together. Okay, there you go. You see the difference? Can you see which one is which? Well, the 70 5G is this one, and this is 70X 5G. The 70 5G is slightly smaller than the 70X, and this is a little elongated. And in terms of the size and the width, yes, this is a slightly thinner than this one in terms of width. And you could see the camera module also, this is slightly bigger and this is smaller. And the color, you could see this is missing here, and there's just dash of horizon design here. But both colors that they're calling it is misty forest green. That's one option, but this one is a snow mountain blue color that you could see. We give you first look of both the phones together. This is the Realme NARZO 70 5G, and this is the Realme NARZO 70X 5G. So yes, do write into comment section, let me know how did you find these smartphones, both of them. Okay, I'm leaving you for a closer look.